Watch till end for my makeup secret.
Time to get ready with me, and if you think I'm only wearing the bathrobe, it's totally wrong. Already I wear the gown, so this is the part of makeup, and my look is very exhausted as because today I came to Ahmedabad in the morning flight, and then 4:30 p.m. that is our program will start. So first of all, what I have, this is aloe vera gel, that is for hydrating. I'm using it. This is the first time everybody is seeing me how to do the minimum makeup. I don't like the makeup thing, so the basic makeup is always good for me. First of all, hydrating. And by the way, it's 3:19 and 4:30 p.m. our program will start. So aloe vera, and then the minimum makeup. So I'm using the Lakme mousse, and according to my skin tone, it's 03 golden sand. And this is blending brush. This always work for me perfectly. Easy to blend evenly. I'm not good with makeup, like all the style I cannot do. This is how I do my best makeup always when I go to be a body, wedding or anything. So this, and now this is Lakme Absolute Wet and Dry, so compact. So I will use the compact. I'm almost done. I'm not using any concealer, highlighter, nothing. It will be a very simple look. So very quickly, with the minimum product, this is what I always use. You can change your look if you. Time for blusher, so I'll use the pink, light pink and dark pink. Time for some glittery eyeshadow, so I'm using this. This is done, and now time for Kajol. This is Lakme Iconic. And time for eyeliner, I'm using Just Her. I love the blue glitter, so I'm using that. I'm not finished yet. So this is the mascara, curling mascara, Lakme Iconic. Actually, in my makeup, I cannot use anything included vitamin E. That's why I always stick to Lakme Absolute. It suits my skin tone and no rashes are there. So this is my look, but now lipstick. Lipstick liner is done, and now Bellavita. See. So that's my look. It's only 3:40, and I'm done. And now this is so this is the earring. This is you can say street style. That's it. And this is the gown, and here I'm done with my look.
And that's my look in the fortune event. Stay for the next video.